Hi everyone, it's Andrea from Lightly Sketched, and today my daughter Chanel will be showing you how to draw the beautiful and bold tangle known as jonqal. For today's Zentangle pattern, you'll need a blending stump, pencil, a micron pen or thin black marker. We used a black micron PN pen in this tutorial. We also used an official Zentangle tile, but you can use whatever paper or cardstock you have available. Before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos. Now, let's begin. The first step is to draw 4 corner dots with your pencil. Next, we're going to connect these dots to create our border. You can use straight or wavy lines for your border. We're going to switch to our micron PN pen as we begin to create our tangle. Step 3 is to draw several curved arches within your border. Once your arches are drawn, add zigzag lines on top of them until you've filled in the space. Step 5 is to color every other section black. These darker sections will give jonqal that bold look that it's known for. Step 6 is to shade. Using your pencil, add shadows to the bottom parts of the white sections. Next, we're going to use our shading stump or finger to blend out the pencil that we added to our tangle. The shading enhances that woven three-dimensional look. Notice how the pattern now feels like it's folding and twisting. If you're using an official Zentangle tile, your final step will be to initial and label your tangle. And there you have it, Jonqal. If you'd like to go deeper with the Zentangle method, you can check out our Zentangle Basics course. I'll leave a link to the course overview in the description box below. Thanks for watching.